Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be teaching you how to make a fart noise with your mouth. I know you've been wanting a, so this is how you do it. So first, you make a little air pocket. So you make the air pocket. First, you should try but how I do it is I create a hole out of it. So a simple way of trying it at home is like and how you do that is you grab your arm and then I don't really know how to explain it. You grab it and then you fold it like you're holding hands like this, but then you bring your thumb up and then it'll be together like this, and then you put your mouth and wait. So I should end here. Good luck trying this, and I'll see you next time. See ya.